because you worked hard for it. I'd like to thank all of you for all that hard work and dedication. And of course, this is my only chance to thank Robert Blancaflor. I did not make a mistake in choosing RBG Group to handle this event and to handle the Pasalamat Festival. As you know, Robert is a childhood friend, classmate ko rin sa grade 1 ako. And we have worked together also a few times. And so, this is a dream come true for both of us to come together and come up with Pasalamat this year. So, ang ako lang na matyagan is all gratitude to everyone involved. And I'm so proud of our Mangkasanon Queens. When we started this, we thought it would be easier to get beauty queens or candidates from anywhere. But in my mind, inik mo